welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope आप सभी बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे. I will spill the tea today and share some major tips which are quick and easy to follow, and these won't burn a hole in your pocket too. Number 1, hair care. If you're into low effort glow ups just like me, focus on your hair. One of the best oils for your hair is sunflower seed oil. Trust me, no one shared it with me, but I'm sharing it with you guys. This oil will give you what expensive treatments promise: less breakage, more growth, and zero drama. How do you use it? Simple. Massage 5 to 10 minutes and keep it overnight. Shampoo as usual. Number 2, lip care. Prepare the super easy lip scrub at home and use it as much as you want without spending any money. For this DIY, lightly crush some sugar. To fade pigmentation, add turmeric. Now add ghee because it's ultra nourishing, heals cracks, and beetroot juice, which adds a pink tint and boosts circulation for a plumper look. Scoop a tiny amount and rub it on your lips in gentle circular motions. Keep scrubbing for 30 seconds to a minute. Now rinse it off with warm water or simply lick it off. You will be left with super soft, naturally rosy and totally smooth lips. After the scrub, apply your favorite lip balm. If you're looking for suggestions, I'm sharing my 2 favorite lip balms. These are travel friendly, super affordable and very nourishing for the lips. I've shared one light lip balm and I've shared a lip mask as well. If you're looking for extra hydration, use this. I have suggested this to so many people and all of them loved it. Look at how pink my lips look. Number 3, we're creating an anti-tanning body mask for body care. For this, lightly roast some turmeric, add besan to it, add yogurt and then honey to this. It's time to make our second DIY, which is an anti-tanning body scrub. If you put in some effort and make your DIYs at home, you won't splurge any money. Number 4, foot care. One of the most overlooked part of our body are the feet, and they deserve a glow up too. Plus, you won't believe how easy it is to follow at home. Take your favorite body wash or your face wash and put it into some water. Make sure your water is a little warm. I'm giving my feet a little spa moment in warm water. Warm water will open your pores. It'll also soften up all the dead skin and all the crusty stuff that was being ignored. These scrubbers are easy to find and they're also very cheap, so you can take one of these and you can scrub off your dead skin. It's time to use the homemade exfoliating mask. This exfoliating mask will gently buff away dead skin cells without being too hard on the skin. If the mixture becomes too dry, you can keep on adding some warm water and keep scrubbing. The mixture is so fine that it will not puncture your skin, but it will gently remove the buildup. It's time to go in with your tool for the second time and remove any remaining dead skin. Now that I have soft and smooth feet, it's time for an anti-tanning mask. There's turmeric in this mask which will brighten up your skin and you can say goodbye to your discoloration. Now wait for the mask to tighten up and then simply rinse it off. Since the mask had turmeric, this will leave a stain. If you want to get rid of the stain, you can simply use your favorite face wash. Do you also notice those tiny little hair on your thumb? Because I sure do. So I will be using a body razor to simply shave them off. It's time for the nail care. Now that the nails have become soft, you can simply trim them off and remove any chipped off nail paint. Once everything is done, use your favorite moisturizer and simply lather it on. We are in body care zone now, and through this I will be answering most of the questions around body tanning and strawberry legs. So the first step is using your exfoliating mask. You can use any, but I'm gonna use the one that we have DIY'd. I started with an exfoliating mask because dead skin and clogged pores result to strawberry legs. Exfoliation unclogs those little follicles, so there's less chance of ingrowns and bumps. Now to take care of my body hair, I'm going to use a sensitive skin body wash. For body hair removal, I'm going to use a clean sharp razor and a quick tip. If you want to avoid strawberry legs, do not shave at the same place for more than twice. After the body hair is gone, it is time for the turmeric anti-tanning mask. The mask has anti-inflammatory properties, plus if there's any patchy tan or darkness, this mask will take care of that too. I would highly recommend this mask for the entire body. So, if you have time, I would highly suggest this mask. Alright, the skin's clean and bright, and now it's time to target the darkness that the kneecaps have been holding. I'm using a glycolic acid serum. It's a gentle exfoliating acid that evens out skin tone. So, if you have dark knees like me, you can simply go in with the glycolic acid serum and then lock it all with a juicy body lotion. And trust me, you'll have the smoothest, even-toned, glazed legs like never before. We've cleaned body hair and now it's time for facial hair removal. I've tried endless devices and personally nothing has ever worked better than a facial razor. It's convenient, travel friendly, quick to use and pretty much painless. For my brows, I haven't stepped into a salon for years because it's so easy to trim your brows at home. It's time for my body care. Now if you've noticed, I'm using the same products for different parts of my body because a lot of you guys wanted budget-friendly products and did not want to splurge on a lot of things. I have some discoloration on my shoulder, and since the time I've been applying glycolic acid serum on it, it surely has helped my discoloration. I then go in with a hydrating body lotion, and yes, if I use glycolic serum during the day, I use an SPF later. The underarm roll-ons have these nasty ingredients and I surely do not want to use them. If you have an odor problem, this DIY is the solution for you. I would highly suggest you to do a patch test before trying this. This is a very affordable stone. It's called the alum stone. Alum is drying in nature, so you can add some aloe vera gel to this. With DIYs, I would always recommend to make small batches. So for 100 ml spray, you need 75 ml distilled water, 20 ml aloe vera gel and 5 grams of alum stone powder. Now we are towards the end of our glow up guide, and this is the glow up mask which I would recommend to everyone. This is the mask which your nanny and dermatologist would low-key approve of. We just mixed besan, that's a natural exfoliator. We added multani mitti which controls oil, turmeric and yogurt which will gently exfoliate and make your skin glow. Keep this on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. A small tip while rinsing this, with gentle tips using a circular motion, scrub this mask off. Now, since a lot of you guys want to start with your skincare routine, these are the only skincare products you need. A cleanser, a moisturizer and an SPF. And that's about it. And yeah, this completes my budget hacks to look and feel your absolute best. If you have liked today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.